Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to complete the grade 4 I Can Sort line and space notes activity. First things first, I'd like you to start by watching the video to the left to review line and space notes on the treble clef staff. Okay, you can do that by click and play on the video. Hi boys and girls, today we are... After you've watched the whole video to learn about the notes on the staff, our lines and spaces, then you can head back to the activity and you're going to start by hitting add response. Okay? Our job is to figure out if we're seeing line notes or space notes. Okay? So you'll click on the pen tool. You can use any color that you want. And your job is to circle the word line or space. Okay, is it a line note or a space note? Well, my first example has a line going through it, so I know that it's on a line. There are 2, 3, 4, 5 different notes to work through before you hit check to submit your work. Good luck!